So listen up, keep your ears to the ground. Don't go getting mistaken now. I'm the dude with the
What's up, guys? This is Max, the Coaster Dude 808 here, and we are at the S&S Worldwide Facility, and we're here.
We're at Access.
Yay!
Access.
So we're super excited. So let's go check it out.
Worry keeps you up all night. Could just be a problem with the things you keep inside your mind. I get that it's hard to find recipes for living right. Maybe take a seat and I'll tell you how it goes. We can never know everything, so I've been letting go everything. Relax and then rejoice, cause you can't change a thing. Disappointment is a choice, that's the thing.
Alright guys, so that's our day here at S&S Worldwide Facility. You got three rides on Access?
3 rides.
Oh, phenomenal. I cannot wait to see this thing at a park. So, hope you guys enjoyed the footage, and see you in the next video. Peace.
In place of redemption, I let go.